Hello, I am Trey Ratcliff and I love my drone. I've just finished a new tutorial to help you be as creative and productive as possible with your new toy. Do you want to make videos like this? Or maybe you're just into photography and you want to take drone photos like this. Then you've come to the right place. All these fun lessons are shot right here in New Zealand, where I love my sheep almost as much as I love my drones, but not in that way. Anyway, we have all kinds of different lessons for every quadcopter scenario. We start from the very beginning, and I assume that you know nothing. We begin by talking about different kinds of drones and which one might be best for you. After that, we take our first flight together. You'll see how fun and easy it is, and you'll be up and running in no time. Then we get into some more intermediate flying options, and I share some tips and tricks along the way, including many mistakes that I have made. Speaking of tips and tricks, I will show you how not to get arrested in China, like I was for flying over the Forbidden City. There's a whole lesson on rules and regulations to keep you safe out there. Now, these lessons are not overly technical. We do go into some tech, yes, but it's not for like the hardcore geeks that want to compare all the specs, and there's plenty of websites for that sort of stuff. I just tell you what you need to know. After you know this, you can get out there and be creative and make something that is truly impressive. So whether you're more into aerial photography or aerial videography, we have extensive lessons on both. There's also a lesson on editing videos, common mistakes, and a little mini tutorial on how you can throw together your own awesome video. You are gonna love it.